More footage from Pickerel Lake. You can see we're about 1,000 feet offshore here, and this is the level of growth in the lake, 1,000 feet offshore. I'll pan around the lake and you can see that how the milfoil is topped out fairly significantly throughout the lake. Again, the estimate was 90% coverage by the engineering firm that's going to be measuring the results of the project, and I think they're just about dead on. Yeah, I'd say 70% topped out, and the other, where you don't see topped out milfoil, there's still plenty of milfoil there. It just hasn't quite made it to the surface. Try and plow through this with the boat. You can see that essentially this lake is unusable. We've got good equipment. I think we'll be able to get the diffusers in with this workhorse motor we have, but basically this lake is unfit for recreational use at this point, and was for the majority of the summer. What I'm driving through there is supposed to be a lake. Gone at least 100 yards and not seen a change.